It is super early in the AM and this place is empty. And I'm gonna go straight to that hotel bed, yo. Empty, empty. Saddam Upsal. Let's go to the bus. Let's go to the bus. Alright, finally I'm out on my own accord by myself doing what I do, roaming around the city here in Songdo, Incheon. Had dinner, filmed a little bit of that, but now I'm kind of doing my own exploring, so watch the tape. You know, maybe I'll talk a little bit more, but maybe not. Just see what I see, y'all. This is where I am right now. Street. Central Park-ish is over there. Just looking for a trash can right now. There's not many trash cans around, mostly inside buildings, but gonna throw this bottle away and then keep on my merry way. My eyes spotted a trash can over there, so here I come. Then I'll go to the park. You say trash can, I think it's 쓰레기 통. Found one. Umshik is food, so I gotta take it out of there, so I'm not sure which one to put it in, but it's definitely not the blue one. People out here on the boats, cute little boats, make me want my lady to be here with me. She ain't with me, y'all. I'm out here by myself, and I'm kind of hot. I need to take this shirt off because I'm hot, man. I'm hot. But it's cool to be in another country right now. Happy to be back here in Korea. Don't get me wrong, but I think this is for trash collection. Everything comes up to the wall. Then this stream's supposed to push it through here. All the trash goes in there. That's what I think. Surely I don't know, but that's cool. Whatever it is.
이렇게 허리 드는 거 그거를 하래. 내가 여기 되게 짧대.
Definitely love these strategically placed umbrellas to wait to cross the street. Man, it's hot and they know it. Got one over there too. One right here. Okay. The sign will tell you it's Incheon free economic zones, especially class area Songdo is. Whatever free economic zone means. I think I looked it up a couple years ago, but I forget now. But a lot of international businesses here. And if you zoom in right here, what do you see? Lotte Mart, like a big grocery store, department store. But also you see frickin', you can't see it anymore. Toys R Us, y'all. Man, America, you can't find. Definitely rush hour because everyone's on the streets, cars out here, people walking around, people getting off work, y'all, and it's just the beginning. So I went to the place that my girlfriend recommended over here, and they didn't take table for one, but I did get the drink that she said is very good, so I guess I'll take it to my room to have it tonight. But that's kind of unfortunate and odd that they don't accept table for one. I mean, I get it, maybe I'm not going to spend enough money as 2 or 3 people would, but you know, I would have loved to eat the food and give them some money for whatever I was going to buy. But I always find these floors interesting. Rubber, not concrete. Whatever that is.